Hi, it's Cayman with S&B. We have our new filter for the 2024 and up Ranger 2.3 liter. This is our dry filter. We also have an oiled filter that can be reused and re-oiled on the vehicle. Both offer the same efficiency as stock and provide better airflow to the vehicle. This filter can be blown out with compressed air and extended. Again, our oiled filter can be reused, so it'll save you a bunch of money over time. Then the filter has a velocity stack on the end for better airflow. This is nice, reliable media that we've been using for over 20 years. And to install the filter, really straightforward. We're just going to get into the air box. You can come over here and we're going to use our T27 Torx to remove the scoop first. With the scoop out of the way. We will get into the air box. Again, these are T27. There's a couple more on the back side here. With the 5 bolts removed, we can now pop off the OEM filter and replace it with the S&B. Again, this snaps in just like the OEM one did. Now we can reinstall the lid, get these screws tightened up, and reinstall the front scoop, and the installation is going to be complete. Let us know if you have any questions.